fix failed to send messages on Instagram problem. So if you want to fix failed to send messages on Instagram problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you've logged into your account. After logging in, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From the profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From there, you need to just scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of help. You need to just tap on help, which is right here. Once you tap on help and support, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with report a problem, and then tap on report problem without shaking. Now tap on don't include, and here you need to briefly explain what happens and what's not working. So you need to just simply write, I can't send message on Instagram Messenger, or I'm not being able to send messages. So please fix it, and then go with send, which will be in the top right. And if you already have some screenshots or evidence, you can also upload them. You will have the upload option right here. You can also add some screenshots or uploads, and then just go with send, which will be in the top right. And after 2 or 3 hours, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.